Once you have learnt the movement routine, you can then move on to the creative task. Level 1 of the creative task involves the participants creating 2 movements each at least, and then accumulating the movements as a group. So step 1, everybody needs to create at least 2 movements using the syllables of their name. So for example, my name is Christy, I have 2 syllables. You can start by clapping the syllables, Christy. So make sure that everybody is familiar with how many syllables they have in their name, so that it's clear how many movements they need to make. From here, I would then create 2 movements, for example, Chris T. They do not need to be fancy, and each person can create whatever movements they like. If they need guidance, you might recommend that they use moves from the games or the warm-ups or the movement routine if they get stuck. Step 2, play the music, just quietly in the background, and allow everyone to find some space and have 2 to 5 minutes to create movements. It shouldn't take too long for this task. Step 3, return to a circle and get everybody to share their movements one at a time going around the circle. Step 4, you're going to accumulate all of the movements. So do my movements, then add them on to the next person's movements, and so on, so that you end up creating a long movement sequence with everybody's moves joined together. Step 5, add this movement sequence onto the end of the movement routine. So the last move in the level 1 movement routine is the double bounce. From here you would do the first person's move. If it was Christy, you'd then go Chris T, and then the next person's, and so on. Practice doing this and remembering this without the music, and then have a go adding it to the music.